Welcome back, fellow leaders, to this explainer on transforming that overwhelming, endless ocean of raw business data into actual, actionable, strategic insights. As executives, we are constantly having to make high-stakes decisions, and obviously, our best defense against uncertainty is solid data. But look, today we aren't just talking about staring at spreadsheets until our eyes cross. We are talking about using AI as your dedicated thought partner. We're going to explore how tools like Gemini can completely revolutionize the way we extract real business value from our data. So let's dive right into this by addressing the ultimate executive challenge. You know the feeling, right? You're trying to improve your company's services, so you pull survey data, you grab some reports on customer retention, you gather up messy meeting notes from your colleagues, and before you know it, you are completely drowning in disparate data sources, and you have absolutely no clear way to extract the meaning. Let's be real, most of our teams don't have deep, specialized training in data analytics, and even for the ones who do, finding clear insights is just incredibly time-consuming. We need a way to make the frustrating manual parts of data analysis just kind of fade into the background.
All right, so let's kick things off with Section 1, AI for business value and security.
Before we jump into specific workflows, we absolutely must establish the foundational rules as leaders. It's the golden rule of enterprise data privacy. Never, ever input confidential company data into a public AI tool without double-checking the settings. If you need to work with sensitive data, your very first priority has to be checking if your company has an enterprise-grade AI tool, because those come with built-in privacy policies. Now, if you absolutely must use a public tool, you have to actively go in, adjust your privacy controls, and opt out of data collection. Understanding these controls isn't just some legal check-the-box exercise. It's about giving your team the total confidence to analyze data safely. Okay, moving right along to Section 2, extracting key marketing metrics. Let's look at a practical scenario, preparing for a high-stakes executive review. Picture this. You're working at an e-commerce apparel company, and you are prepping for a major review of website performance. Let's say your Q3 goal is to increase revenue. This workflow shows exactly how to prep efficiently using AI. You start off by giving the AI that exact business context. Then you ask it to identify the top 5 metrics you should even consider presenting. But here's where it gets really powerful. You don't just stop at the numbers. You use the AI to anticipate the really tough questions your leadership team is going to throw at you, and then you figure out exactly how to export that data from sources like Google Analytics. AI is just incredibly valuable here because it essentially predicts the future. If conversion rate is your core metric, the AI will give you a heads up, get ready to explain the biggest drivers behind any changes, and you'd better prepare to show exactly where the biggest drop-offs are occurring in your checkout flow. It acts like a mock executive board, ensuring you are literally never caught off guard. And notice this simple but incredibly powerful prompt. What have I not thought of? One of the absolute trickiest things about data analysis is that you don't know what you don't know. But you can ask the AI to adopt the persona of a highly critical coworker, a demanding executive, or even your ideal customer, to uncover your operational blind spots. It is the ultimate thought partner for stress testing your strategy. All right, let's shift gears to Section 3, teaming messy datasets. We need to talk about operational efficiency. How do we handle that unstructured data that usually takes hours of mindless manual entry? Let's say you want to analyze customer reviews for your retail pants division to help inform product development, but the reviews are stuck in a screenshot on some website, and you can't even cleanly copy and paste them. Well, Gemini can literally just look at that screenshot, extract the unstructured text, read the image-based star ratings, convert those visual stars into actual numbers, and boom, it organizes everything into a clean, workable Google Sheet, complete with dates and text. And once that data is sitting nicely in your spreadsheet, you honestly don't need a massive data analytics team to make sense of it. You can use the equals AI formula directly in Google Sheets. You just type out a natural language prompt, like asking the AI to classify the text sentiment as positive, neutral, or negative, and maybe categorize the complaint by size, price, or quality. It looks at the specific cell, sees a review saying the fit was awful, instantly identifies that as both negative and related to size, and fills it in. You literally just click and drag that formula down the column. Suddenly, a whole new world of unstructured data analysis is unlocked. Oh, and if your team ever gets stuck, you can use the AI as a thought partner to troubleshoot broken traditional spreadsheet formulas, clearing up errors so no one loses 3 hours to a missing parenthesis ever again. Which brings us to Section 4, marketing performance and narratives. Once your data is all clean and structured, it's time to figure out what is actually driving the business forward. You can just import a CSV file of your site performance and ask the AI to calculate the average revenue per session based on your marketing channels. The data visualization it generates instantly shows us that email is driving significantly higher revenue per session than organic traffic or social media ads. It totally levels the playing field, meaning you don't need to know complex pivot tables to clearly see the trends. But hey, we all know a chart is just a chart. If you are presenting this to the board, you need a narrative. You have to explain the why. You can give the AI the persona of an experienced data analyst and ask it exactly why email is outperforming for an e-commerce site. It doesn't just hand the numbers back to you. It generates a clear strategic narrative explaining that email drives higher revenue because it allows for highly personalized, targeted messages directly into the receiver's inbox. Now you've got the hard data and you've got the story to back it up. Finally, let's bring it all home with Section 5, Modeling Profit and Strategy. Let's see how AI synthesizes all of this to act as a high-level business advisor. Say you are running that trouser business and your main goal is to maximize profit this year. By uploading your sales CSV into Gemini Canvas, you can ask it to step into the role of a business advisor and identify the most critical changes you can make. The AI analyzes all those trends and spits out 3 specific strategic recommendations. First, tackle a huge return crisis with your baggy cargos. Second, shift your customer acquisition focus to classic chinos because they perform better. And third, implement volume-based bundling for your lower volume items, like a simple buy 2, save 15% offer. To really put this into perspective, the AI flagged a major hidden drain on the business. Baggy cargo pants have a staggering 36% return rate. Without the AI looking at the totality of that sales data, this specific product line might have just continued quietly eating away at your margins. It presents a massive, immediate opportunity for operational optimization. But you are an executive. You can't just act on hunches. You need to forecast the financial impact before you make a move. Well, you can ask Gemini to build an interactive profit calculator right there in Canvas. It literally writes the code for a web app complete with interactive sliders for each of these recommendations, so you can dynamically test your assumptions. If we lower cargo returns from 36% to 23%, we see a projected $1,000 profit increase. If we boost chino acquisition by 50%, boom, that's $6,000 more. If we absolutely nailed the bundling strategy, that adds a cool $15,000. You instantly visualize the exact impact on your margins. So the crucial point is right here. By seamlessly testing multiple strategic changes all at once, you get absolute clarity on the big picture. If we adjust those sliders to successfully implement all 3 of these AI-generated strategies, we hit a projected net revenue of $128,000. It's turning raw data into a dynamic, living roadmap for growth. And because we all know business is a team sport, you can even prompt the AI to apply a custom fashion theme to this calculator, updating the fonts and colors to match your exact brand while keeping all that underlying data and math perfectly intact. Then it generates a secure, shareable link. You send this out to your leadership team, and suddenly everyone is collaborating off the exact same interactive data model, testing their own assumptions and completely aligning on the strategy. As we wrap up this explainer, we've seen how AI takes the heavy lifting completely out of complex analysis, predicts tough executive questions, tames your messy, unstructured datasets, and dynamically models profit. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought to take back to your own teams. What dormant, highly profitable insights are currently hiding in your company's unanalyzed data, just waiting for the right prompt to be uncovered? Thank you so much for joining me, and happy analyzing.